Today we're showing the new Coaxial camera live magnifier in Retina Engrave 5. Previously, the Coaxial camera captured highly detailed static images. Now, Retina Engrave continuously captures the live video, corrects distortion, and stitches it into the exact location on the workspace. Here you can see the watch escapement moving in real time, while the image remains precisely aligned with the part. Because the view is live and highly magnified, you can manually position engraving objects with immediate visual feedback and much greater precision. So how does the Coaxial camera work? The laser beam enters through the dynamic Z-focus galvo, maintaining sharp focus across varying depths. It passes through a dichroic mirror to the 2D XY galvo, which precisely directs the beam onto the target. Reflected light travels back along the exact same path and reflects into the liquid lens camera for instant, coaxial autofocusing. That being said, how accurate is a full-spectrum laser with a coaxial camera? Let's put it to the test. We're going to engrave something incredibly small onto a penny. Precision isn't just about making something the right size, it's also about putting it exactly where it is supposed to be. There are two kinds of accuracy at work. First is size accuracy. If you engrave a 10mm square, it measures exactly 10mm within plus or minus 10 microns. The second is placement accuracy. Whether a penny is placed in the center of the work area or all the way out towards the edge, Retina Engrave 5 knows exactly where it is. That means the camera image and the laser stay aligned with an edge-to-edge placement accuracy of just 10 microns. To put that into perspective, the letter I in Liberty in the US penny is only about 100 microns wide, which is about the thickness of a human hair. The laser can engrave 100 micron tall text and place it precisely in the center of that letter within 10 microns. The engraving lands exactly where it was positioned in the software with virtually no visible deviation. That level of precision is only possible because full-spectrum laser hardware and Retina Engrave software are engineered together as one complete system. When accuracy matters, every micron counts. Full-spectrum laser.